every
The apprehension in the minds of the people of Margao about opening of rent-a-cab offices at various places in residential areas, creating serious law and order problem. Speaker sir, rent-a-cab permission dita. त्यांना तांच्या परमिशनाचेर ऑफिसाचो एड्रेस सारको घाल्लो आसता. They are supposed to operate from that office. आता कितें जालां मडगांव विक्टर हॉस्पिटल आसा पळय त्या लेनीन थंय 3 ऑफिसां आयल्या आणि they are bringing and keeping their cars, scooters there, park करून दवरता, depriving residents of the buildings to keep their car. There will be serious law and order problem if immediate actions are not taken. So I request the transport minister to take immediate action in this matter. Give direction to the RTO.
चडूच प्रॉब्लेम सगळे कडेन जाला. ओन्ली अपोलो हॉस्पिटल, अपोलो विक्टर हॉस्पिटला फुडल्यानूच न्हय. तेणें सांगलां तशें 3 जाणांन ऑफिस घेवन फुल पार्किंग बिल्डिंगेचे हॉस्पिटलांतसून लोक भितर भायर सरपाक मेळना. I have already instructed my department to take strict action. एक ऑपरेटर operational place is Serauli and parking करता हांगा. We are going to take the strictest action. I have already instructed the officer.